and welcome to another episode of Bandsaw Basics, starring Bandsaw Billy. He'll be doing all the cutting today. Thanks for tuning in. For those of you who've been watching and liking, I really appreciate that. I'm glad you like my content, and I plan to keep on creating it for as long as I'm creating these, which is forever. As long as I'm still around, I'll be making these. This is my way of commemorating my grandfather, who really loved making wood projects in his later life. And me and my brother like to make stuff. Actually, here, I'll show you real quick. That's what this is on the wall here. It's something my grandpa made. He liked to make this kind of stuff. So I do the same. Today, we will be making... I want to do this for my father-in-law for Christmas, since I made something for my mother-in-law, which was Frosty the Snowman. I just got that finished. I'm going to make this for my father-in-law. It's the elf for the Cleveland Browns. And I was going to make the base the Browns helmet. So, you can check out all my finished products. I made these little cards. Check out all my finished projects on Instagram at half-finished, or my completed projects. That's the joke. But, you know, half-finished projects. Half-finished projects. We turn wood into wonders. I call it half-finished projects because there's always a half-finished project somewhere. Me and my brother have plenty of half-finished stuff laying around. Or I'll be like, oh, I need to make this now and put this on the back burner. So, you know, half-finished projects. Alright, so without further ado, I already play. Yeah, I was smart enough to remember. Let's not forget, safety first. We want our goggles on. And we don't want to put our fingers close to the blade. If something gets stuck down here, turn off the machine and then get it out. Alright, so those are my two main points. Without further ado, gets to cutting. Now, there is going to be one part on here. It's going to be a sumbitch. It's going to be this right here. So pay attention to how I cut this out. This could be a blade breaker. So you got to be careful when you're cutting out stuff like that. Got a blade breaker. These make really good gifts. It's a painting process that takes forever for me because I always put 3 coats on everything. But it takes forever, so I'm debating if I want to make something for myself and do it with 2 coats and see how that looks. And I want to make myself Donatello. He's my favorite Ninja Turtle. I forgot to put the other part of the gear down. It's alright. Yeah, you gotta do more than one coat. When you do one coat, you can still see the wood. I really like the way 3 looks, but dang, does it take a minute, you know? Well, on the flip side, it looks really good. Jesus, I have an electric sander. I'm gonna run everything over. All right. So I like getting the hard parts out of the way. So here's how I'm gonna tackle this. I want to give myself enough room to move my blade around. And be able to pull out little chunks of wood. See? Come on. There we go. See, I got a piece of wood stuck in there. You want to wait for it to stop. You don't want to be too antsy about it. I could have just cut my finger there if I was messing around. I personally like getting hard stuff out of the way first. Remember, this ain't like cutting a piece of paper. You will break this blade. My girl likes talking smack on the Browns, and they play the Steelers. She's been rooting for the Steelers to mess with her dad. But they play the Steelers on my birthday. I told her the only thing I want for my birthday is for you to root for the Browns. Now, this finger part right here, I'm debating on just cutting that off. Because that could be a breaking hazard. I don't know how easy that would be to break off. I think it's weird the way they have his finger protruding right here. I don't know, I think it's very weird. Straight cut, straight down, straight back. Alright, straight down. Man, that was kind of a little trouble spot. There's a sleeve. I'm just going to do a cut here. able to get this side of his foot. Right there. Right now, I'm not going to worry about that curve. I'm just going to go straight. So I'm going to go straight out. I'd rather not try to break my blade. Man. Alright, so let's do a straight cut. Let's go all the way. Ooh. I must be high. I'm not even finished with this. So again, your first priority is going to be to open up a space for your blade to get into. It'd take an extra minute to not break my blade. So I need to order spares still. Oh, that's my goof up. I usually order them on Amazon. Little by little, I am working towards being able to turn that. Again, I'll stick a sander in here. Wow, I got lucky that hit where it did. Like, sometimes I'll make it a little... See, now I can turn it around. I can make it a little rough with the blade because I have a nice sander that I got on Amazon. Fix up my rough edges. That fell all the way to the ground. already. Bam. That was an SOB. So, see, that's how I tackle those hard to reach places. Hey, it looks like a football. Yeah. From the nose to the tip of the toes. Wow. I colored out the nose down to the tip of the toes. See all the stringy stuff on the back? The sander will hit that. Get out of the way. Not too shabby. I'll trim down his hat a little bit and make his ears stand out. Oh, see, this is why I was looking over it. It looks done. Stuff can blend together. Man, I was really debating cutting his finger off there. Like, should I? Ah, dang it. I see myself accidentally cutting this off. I'm trying not to cut off his finger and we'll see how it looks. Tyler? I didn't see any lights. Probably one of the cats jumping around. Alright, I guess I'm keeping his finger. I figured that'd be a break point. Hopefully it sands down nice. So there's the elf. Let's knock out this football helmet. This should be real quick. Alright, first off, I want to keep this. This could potentially be used for something, so I'll put that in the scrap pile. I got Frosty the Snowman stuck in my head because I just finished. It's actually outside drying. And I put a clear coat on everything I do. But if you want to see the stuff I completed, check us out at Half Finished Projects on Instagram. Thinking about making a TikTok. My grandfather he made bases that were just like oval bases. And that's how I started doing it. And then I thought about it, and I was like, you know, I can make the bases anything I want. I started putting little zips to it. Like this will be the brown tone. I'll put brown here, and then I'll put white here for the white stripe. And there we go. It's a little bit more rounded. I'll be able to work with that better on the sander. I'll probably sand this out tomorrow. Alright, looks good. Now let's get a peek at it here. So there's the helmet. And I don't know if I should have him stand like this, or if we'll have him stand like this. Or like this. No way! I didn't think he'd stand on his own. That's awesome. Sweet. I might just make it like this. Oh, no, there's my brother. That was a cat. Whoa, my brother's home. Alright, so I want to thank you all who tuned in. I had to take off my hat because it's hot back here. I want to thank you all for tuning in. If you made it through all the way through this video, I appreciate the support. I appreciate the likes, and if you know, I read the comments in the comment section. If anybody wants to comment and tell me what you think, or maybe what you think I should make next, that'd be awesome. I would probably honor something if you commented what you think I should make next. Anyway, something I like to drive home, I like to put out there as a message is if you have kids, I was told that the best toy for a child is an active adult. I try my best to be the active adult in my child's life. I even go as far as to cut out projects for us to make sometimes. I got into scooters with them. I'll play catch with them. I do the best that I can to be an active adult, the active adult in my child's life, you know, because that's how they develop and grow. So be the active adult in your child's life, and I appreciate all the support that I can get. Don't forget, if you want to see our finished projects, you can check us out here at Half Finished Projects on Instagram. God bless everyone. Thank you.